of Spencer. And at this time, I'm going to go ahead and pause as we activate the emergency alert system because of a tornado warning. This is severe weather coverage from the Spencer Radio Group. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning in effect until 6:15 this Sunday evening for Clay, Dickinson, and O'Brien counties. At 5:25, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Everly, or 14 miles northwest of Spencer, and moving off to the southeast at 20 miles per hour. Again, this is a tornado warning in effect until 6:15 tonight for northwestern Clay, southwestern Dickinson, and northeastern O'Brien counties in northwest Iowa for the possibility of a tornado that is radar indicated. If you are in the path of the storm, you should be seeking shelter immediately. Stay away from windows and be on the lowest possible level of your home in an interior room.